In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Teams tab in the sidebar in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams and wait until the main window loads. Once you are on the home screen, look to the top right corner next to your profile picture. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Click that menu to open more options. From the list that appears, click Settings. This will open the settings area for your Teams app. On the left side of the settings window, click Chats and Channels. That section controls how conversations, teams, and channels are displayed in the sidebar. Now look for the area called Viewing Chats and Channels. Under that setting, select Separate. As soon as you choose Separate, Teams updates the layout so chats and teams are no longer grouped together in one place. You can now see that the Chat tab and the Teams tab have been separated in the sidebar, which makes the Teams tab visible again as its own item. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. There's also another technique that takes you to the same setting a little more directly. Start by clicking Chat in the left sidebar. When the Chat section opens, look toward the right side of the word Chat near the top of that area. You'll see another three-dot menu. Click that three-dot menu to open the drop-down. In the drop-down, click Customize View. As soon as you select it, Teams instantly redirects you to the viewing settings for chats, teams, and channels. This is the same place where you can control whether those items appear together or separately. That's the full process to enable the Teams tab in the sidebar in Microsoft Teams.